waters, I tread softly, every heartbeat echoes, a reminder of me. I've wandered roads that twist and bend, chasing whispers of hope, seeking a friend. But in the silence, I found my voice. Through every struggle, I made my choice to rise like the dawn from the depths of despair. With every step forward, I'm learning to care. I'm walking alone, but I'm never lost. In this journey of life, I'll carry the cost. With tears as my guide and dreams in my sight, I'll embrace the darkness to find the light. Through the storm and the rain, I've weathered it all. Each star tells a story, I rise when I fall. The nights are long, but they teach me to fight. For in every shadow there's a spark of light. And though it's lonely, I'm learning to grow. With every heartbeat, I'm finding my flow. Strength isn't absence, it's embracing the pain, transforming the sorrow like flowers in the rain. I'm walking alone, but I'm never lost. In this journey of life, I'll carry the cost. With tears as my guide and dreams in my sight, I'll embrace the darkness to find the light. So here's to the moments that shaped who I am, the battles I fought, the goals I'll climb. I'll rise from the ashes, reborn and renewed. With every step forward, my spirit's imbued. I'm walking alone, but I'm never lost. In this journey of life, I'll carry the cost. With tears as my guide and dreams in my sight, I'll embrace the darkness to find the light. So let the world see, I'll shine through the night. With love in my heart, I'll continue the fight. Walking alone, but I'm never afraid. For in this life's journey, my strength won't fade.